Incognito mode is a feature in web browsers that allows you to surf the internet privately. This feature is available in modern browsers, including Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. To activate incognito mode, click on the three dots or three lines in the top right corner of the browser. Select New Incognito for Chrome or Private Window for Edge or Firefox. While in incognito mode, the browser will not save your web activity or search history, so the other users using the same device will not see your browsing record in the past. However, it's important to understand that private browsing is not completely secure. Private browsing may not protect you from being tracked online or from malicious programs, nor that it prevents monitoring by network administrators or other authority figures. If you really want to protect your identity and information online, consider using a VPN or Tor network. Both options help not just hide your IP address, but also encrypt your data using different methods. To learn more about incognito mode and protecting your privacy online, please read our article below.